everybody, I'm back again. Today I'm going to make rice with lentils. This is my version, my Latino way. I have here some garlic and some colored annatto oil. And I will be stir frying this up until it's nicely caramelized, well, soften up. And I'm going to put a pinch of cumin. And here I will add let's say like a tablespoon of butter. This will add a nice flavor to our rice. Now meantime that's frying up in low heat. It's actually almost 2 numbers less than medium low. So I'm going to chop up these nice green onions and half of a red pepper. Here I have the lentils that I had soaking for 2 hours. I'm going to add a little bit of my green onions, not everything. I'm just adding just like a tablespoon, just for the flavor. Now I'm going to add my rice here. Make sure it's washed. I have already mine washed from morning, so it's kind of dry the top. Alright, so we're going to kind of stir fry it for maybe 5 minutes. Stir fry this up for 5 minutes in medium-low heat. Alright, so I'm going to put some fresh cilantro here. I'm going to chop it up quickly here, roughly chop. Now I'm going to put my lentils. Now this is the other rice because there's 2 types of rice, the white rice and the one that grows a lot, which is kind of yellowish. So yeah, that's the yellowish rice, which I really prefer the white rice. Okay, so we're going to start putting our water. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we're going to add salt and give it a stir. Alright, so I'm going to try this out if it's good. Yeah, it's just perfect the way I want it. I'm gonna maybe like half a cup of water more. So I'm going to cover this up and wait until it boils. Okay, let's check if this is going to boil. Yes, it's about to boil. So once it boils hard, we will lower the heat to medium. Okay, let's check on this, and well, so far so good. So it's looking wonderfully. Now here is when you put down the heat to medium until it dries, until you see barely liquid. Once you don't see too much liquid, then it will be ready to put the heat more lower. I'm going to cover this slightly, like leave it like this. I don't want to cover it completely because this might foam up. Well, this rice, I never had a trouble with it, but with the white rice it does foam up, so just keep an eye on it until the liquid is evaporated. I'll be back in 10 minutes to check on it. Alright, so we're going to uncover this. It's like 7 minutes and it's already almost the water is gone. And lentils don't take long to cook once they're soaked. Now here I have some red peppers that I chopped and some green onions that I did not put everything. And why? Because I want that colors to show here, kind of vibrant colors. And if you wish, you can add another tablespoon of butter if you wish, but I already did, so my rice should taste very yummy after this. Okay, so we just stir this up all so everything is mixed well. All those nice colors mixed in together. I would put more red pepper, but for now that's what I have. Just I had only half. You have to deal with what you have in your fridge. That's all. And guys, this is stainless steel. Because many of you guys are telling me not to use the aluminum. Well, this is stainless steel, so don't worry. Okay, so now since the water is almost all evaporated, now it won't spill over anything. So now I'm going to cover it all there. It has a bit of water, but I'm going to cover it all like that. And now it was on medium low, so I'm going to put it 2 numbers and a half lower. Okay, so that will cook nicely for you. It will not burn on the bottom or nothing like that. So we will check back on it in 10 minutes. Alright, so 10 minutes later, it's nicely dried out. So now we're going to give it one stir. Stir in and take it out. It's like you're trying to take whatever's in the bottom to the top. Like so. Okay? That's it. And there we go. Okay, so kind of spread it nice. This should be ready in 10 minutes, so I'll cover it one more time, and then in 10 minutes I'll serve. That's all. Very simple, very easy to make this beautiful and tasty rice. Alright my friends, so here's the results. Thank you all for watching, and as simple as that, you can make a nice tasty rice, and it's very delicious. I hope you try it out. Let me know, comment below, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe if you're new, and hope to see you again in the next video. Happy cooking! Bye!